what happened? Then what happened? I hear you. Hi, sweetheart. I love having conversations with you. Yes. Oh. Is that so? Okay. That's a good point. I agree. Yes. Do you have any more to say about that? Yeah. Just a couple. You're the sweetest thing. Oh, and I saw a yawn. It snuck in there.